When you are in a restaurant and try to call someone for service, you typically will need to go through several steps. Look around to locate your server, raise your hand so the servers will notice you with an eye contact, and the last step is just to wait and hope the server will come to your table soon enough. Especially in Western culture, it is sometimes a real challenge to get an attention from a server in a busy restaurant or in remote places in hotels or resorts. This is why we developed HelloBell. HelloBell is a simple, fast, and smart communication platform using smart devices, and definitely better than making an eye contact. It enables a real-time communication between not only customers and staff, but also among the staff members in the back of the house. Customers can simply press a button on a table. The staff wearing a smartwatch will receive a direct message in real time. Each request is sent to the preset receiver group, and if one of the group members accepts the request, the status of the message is synchronized with group members knowing how request is being handled, regardless of their location. With a simple mobile engagement, you can have convenience in your hand. By scanning a QR code on a HelloBell device, soft buttons or various options will pop up in a smartphone, such as call server, order menu, check request, valet request, and so on. Customers can even type a specific message to be delivered to a server. This process will cut the service steps, which brings convenience for customers and efficiency for staff. HelloBell platform is cloud-based, so every operation data is stored in the cloud server and can be monitored on dashboard. Therefore, managers can analyze data such as visiting hours, response time, and customer ratings, etc. for better business management. Benefits from HelloBell statistically show average 18% increase in customer satisfaction, $3,000 monthly revenue, and 20 hours decrease in weekly labor costs reported from our current customers in the US. Due to its outstanding technology and benefits, HelloBell has been a business partner with over 50 stores, including football stadium, world-class chain hotels, and large pub chains in North America. We believe HelloBell is the smarter than any other communication platform for offline businesses. We would like our potential customers to come and see our products and check how it is going to help your business. Thank you.